up? What's up? Okay. Where do I begin with this? I have no idea. Yesterday was Monday. We didn't get anything weekly-wise, but we did actually have our first lucky encounter when it came to the birthday parties. Now again, I don't know what I'm doing that's getting all these bell bags to show up. I'm lost. I don't know why that's happening. It must have something to do with my new characters, but I just am like, huh? These are some gyroids that I buried on my second character earlier when I was checking everyone. You can see I did clean up the recipes. I left the birthday stuff out just for fun. I will take that out. And when I say take that out, I mean I will put it away eventually. Now, yesterday I did get good luck with the party. Finally. I was shocked. I'm just going to scroll down to the eyewear section here. There you are. So you see we have 4 birthday shades. We have 1 double. But there's the yellow ones here. I did get these on stream. I picked them up off stream because I was just super paranoid that something weird was going to happen. I was going to delete the character and I was going to delete the items from my world. So I put them in my storage as soon as possible. Because yes, I'm paranoid and I don't want to lose something like that. So yeah, did a little bit of cleaning up, checked all my characters. Yesterday I did, gosh, why are there so many of these things? Just trying to clean up the island. That's the only reason I'm doing it. I don't care about the money. Okay, you know what? I had a feeling Kix was here today, and wow, I was right. So yeah, anyway, we have 2 more parties to do today. We're gonna see what happens with that. But something! Cardboard box! No! Wrong something! Don't need that. Anyway, yeah, so I was looking at the whole thing. So we got a table, a wall, cake, table, cake, wall, wall. So, you know, we had 2 tables, 2 cakes, and 3 walls. And it was like, come on. And then yesterday I got candles and then shades. So that was all very cool. I was very happy to get something new. So we'll see how things go for the rest of the week. You can see we have boots that are not ski boots, which is not needed. Thank you for that. So yeah, no. No, I need backbow socks. I always get mixed up and think that garter socks are the ones that I need for some reason. I really don't know why. Simple tote bag, don't need it. Futoshiki bag, do not need it. Bear backpack in white, do not need it. We need the pink one. So, Kix showing up, which is nice, but letting us down as usual. You can see there's the white one there. And then the other 2 are down here. There's the simple tote bag in red. Wow, shocking. And then the other one, which we know that there you go. Okay, great. Love it. Love to see it. So, the shades are away. We checked everything. It's been 4 minutes. I'm going to switch characters now. Yeah, we got 2 more. Well, 2 people. I don't know how feasible this whole, like, 2 parties a day thing is. It's been a week now, practically. And I haven't done it every day. But yeah, it's a lot sometimes, right? Because I did... What did I do? Did one, two... So I did 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1... No. I did 1, 1, 2, 1... I did... Okay, so I did on the 6th. So it was a week ago today. So I did 1, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 2, 2. So if I can keep up with 2, maybe I'll be fine, but 2's a lot. I made this character yesterday and I totally forgot to talk to people. So like my controller just flat out died and I had to play while it was like plugged in. And I was like, oh no, I have to reload this character and talk to people because I just forgot. It was silly. I feel like I'm being a lot quicker with the stream today. I don't know why, but a lot of these streams have hit like close to the 20-minute mark. But I guess I've just been doing more of my main character. But today it's like, nope, just do stuff, whatever, great, good. Because this doesn't take me long. Oh, actually, still have to get the recipe. I don't know what I'm talking about. Never mind, let's get out of here. We'll skedaddle. Okay. Again, I really want these ladders, and I really want these birthday things. You know, I've said it so many times throughout this year, probably, that I always talk about eliminating sources of items. Like, oh, if I get all the things from Katrina, that's one thing I don't have to do, then I'm good. Oh, I got all the recipes, that's one thing, great, right? That's like my whole thing. I say it over and over again. I don't want to worry about sources. You know, the less ways to get items, the better. And it's getting very close to just being the recycling bin. So, I've said that I wanted to get all the recipes by the end of the year. I really don't know if it's going to happen. I only need one. So, in theory, it go... Oh, okay. In theory, it could happen, right? You know, I could get it by the end of the year, but it's only a couple weeks. What's the likelihood of that? I don't know. So, yeah, but, I don't know. A birthday thing, I doubt it, but... Okay, let's open this thing up. What, this is yellow, right? I need yellow. I'm afraid to look. I'm gonna close, no, it's red. No, it's yellow, sorry. There's no red hat. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna put this thing on, and then I'm gonna look and it's... Uh-huh. This stupid one I always get. Place this on it now. Look at it. Bask in it. Okay, switching characters. We got a hat after getting the shades, though. Can't really complain. Can't expect to get the, you know, the one I need first try. But yeah, okay. So that marks the 10th party total. And we've seen the table, wall, cake, candles, shade, and hat. That's 6. So we're missing the sign and floor. Not that we're missing them necessarily. I don't think it works that way. It's just random. It's just we've seen all but those 2. So we've seen 6 different things in 10 days. Well, 10 parties. Which I guess checks out. Because we got like 1, 2, and sorry, 1, 1, and 2 dupes. Anyway, that's cool. I got the hat, but it's not the hat I need. See, that's the thing. Like, the shades I got lucky because there's still 2 that I need. Now I need 1 out of the 4, and I need 1 of the 3 hats. Technically, I had better odds with the hat than the glasses if I were to get the glasses again. But whatever. It is what it is. If I can get this done, then I don't have to worry about these birthday things, and life will be great. Because then I'll just be back to getting the recipes again until I get that golden ladder. And once I have those, I'm pretty free. Like, I think I should have all the New Year's stuff. And then I just gotta get that HHA trophy. And then it just kicks Sahara and the recycling bin. So I'm almost there. I just want to be done by the 3rd anniversary. That is the goal. Because it's a nice goal, Like 3 years, it's like, yeah, let's finish at that point. Okay, let's crack this thing open. It's a table. Alright, well, we know that they can't all be winners, so that's fine. I did get a hat today. Not the right one, but it was still a hat, so can't complain. I will just have to keep this up, What are you gonna do? This is really all I can do, aside from waiting until October for mine. Right? Because it's like, I either make new characters and then friend people up, which takes way longer and does not guarantee anything. Right? Like, if I created a character and then spent all that time, like, befriending everyone, well, not everyone, I think you could get away with befriending, like, 7 people. Maybe 8, to be safe. I don't know how well it would work. Anyway, if you befriend 8 people all the way to level 5, it's a decent amount of work. And then it'll give you 1 chance at the hat. Won't even guarantee the hat that you need. So, why bother? you know, just do this. It's probably better or faster. Better. Faster and better. Anyway, that's it for me. I've hit my my quota for the day here. No, but I checked my main character. Kix was here, nothing new. Got the shades yesterday. We got one hat, but it was not one we needed. Checked all the other characters for recipes, and been just over 16 minutes. So I'll make new characters, be back at it again tomorrow afternoon, see what happens, and take it from there. Bye.